Beautiful people, I am sure by the grace of God, you're doing very, very good. Now, it's your time with Celine, and today I'm going to talk about some of the places you will be able to find the jobs you have been looking for. So, I posted a video talking about making extra money for yourself and also getting jobs with sponsorship that can help you relocate. Okay, so I've been having a lot of questions about where can we get these things you're talking about, and for this reason I am going to show you some of the places in this video. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking for a job that can help you relocate, looking for a job that can fetch you extra income, then I will say stay with me till the end of today's video, and I know you will not regret it. So, I am Celine, and I am always pleased to have you on my channel. Over here, I talk about my life in the UK, the benefits, everything we can do to be successful, to be wealthy. Okay, so please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so you can have all the goodies anytime they come. And also like the videos, share the videos, comment so we can get to other people. Our motive is to touch lives every day and anyhow. So by sharing this video, you're touching a life. Okay, so stay with me. Let's get straight into it. Guys, so basically I'll be talking about two places that I'm more confident about. That is indeed.com. Indeed is everywhere, and the next one will be LinkedIn. All right, so let's deal with the Indeed first. Now when you come to Indeed, all right, over here, on top of over here you will see the country section. You see what you're looking for, the kind of job you're looking for, and you can also create an account for yourself. So let's assume you're looking for a job with sponsorship in the UK. What you have to do is to come here. You see it says job title. You then search for let's say care assistant with sponsorship over here. Now, most of the times, if you want to relocate to the UK, you need to look for a job that can give you a sponsor. There are a lot of them, but the common one that people normally use is the care assistant. So let's say you say care assistant and your location is UK. You then come over here and find a job. Okay. Now, when you click on find job, there are numerous care jobs you see over here. There are numerous, like a lot of them that you can actually choose from, but there are some of them that will require let's say experience. Some of them will not require. So all you have to do is to be going through these jobs and then see which one actually suits you, and then you can be applying. You can apply to more than 5 of them, so that you give yourself more luck. Now the amazing thing is when you choose the one you want, it gives you details of how much you will be making in an hour, if it is full-time, if it is part-time. You will choose all these things. It also shows you the qualifications you're looking for, the benefit they'll be giving you, and a full description of the job you will be doing. So this is the first one. So before I go into LinkedIn, in the UK, when you get a job with a sponsorship, they actually help you come with your family. So let's say you apply a job and you get it, you have a family, you actually cover for you and that of your family. So it's a good thing. Okay, so the next thing is LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn is also, it has the same similars with Indeed. You can create an account for yourself. If you look here, it says join now and sign in if you have an account. Now over here you can actually join and leave your CV, because in LinkedIn most of the times there are employers that actually comes to check if they can find employees. Okay, so if you leave your details over there, you might be contacted, and if not, you can actually also come here and look for the job you are interested in. Now let's say you're in let's say Ghana. Yes, I want to use a different country so you will see what I'm talking about. So let's say Ghana, you're in Ghana, your location is Ghana, and yes, you see Ghana, Greater Accra. Let's say Ghana, and the job you're looking for, let's say work from home. Work from home. Okay, so you see work from home. All right, now it will actually bring the kind of jobs they are looking for that you can do remotely. You don't have to be there. So it's like you can be a freelancer, you can actually sell video data collection project, account payable analyst, community engineer. All these jobs are there. You can actually look for any job at all. A teacher, all you just have to do is to come to the job section and look for what you want to see. A teacher, okay, and things will be there. Preschool, like there are a lot of things you can actually do here. So basically you can always check on LinkedIn or indeed.com, and then trust me, you can find jobs. If you want to find job outside the country where you're living, you just have to put the country you want to get the job offer from. If it is with sponsorship, specify it and apply to as many as you can, because the more you apply, the more chances you get. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give it some thumbs up. Thank you. It was Celine, and I will see you in our next video. If anything, leave it in the comments.